DJI Mavic 3, post-Hurricane Ian home inspection. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Hurricane Ian has come and gone, and unfortunately for those just south of us in the Fort Myers, Port Charlotte area, our thoughts and prayers are with them. I did put a post out there about one of our own fellow drone pilots who's going through some things, and I posted a link to the GoFundMe on the Bill the Drone Reviewer Facebook group page and out on the YouTube community page. So if you can sure help him, he would really appreciate it. He's in a real bind right now. I went ahead today. The weather was finally calm enough. The winds have finally died down to the point that I could even get the Mavic 3 up. And what I did was I went out and I did an inspection of our house from the standpoint of basically looking at the roof and the yard to see if there was any damage. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, today we're going to go ahead and take the Mavic 3 up and do a post-Hurricane Ian inspection on our house. And it looks like we got 16 satellites. We're ready to go. It is a nice day, so let's go ahead and take off. So I'm going to do this kind of in two phases for my house. I'm going to get it up to about 100 feet. I'm going to shoot some video first, and then we're going to go ahead and take some stills. It is a beautiful day today here in Florida. One thing after the hurricane I can say is that I'm going to move this forward here a little bit. Move it over. Okay, we're up at about 100 feet, like I said, and so far I'm not really seeing anything here. I'm going to take it up a little more so we can try to get the entire house in the view. Now, remember, we live in, it's really kind of like a twin single, and our neighbors there. You can see some different colorations on the roof. Again, we have tile roofs here, so I'm going to go ahead and bring it in real close. Okay, that's about as close as I want to get. It's about 70 feet. Let's go ahead and do a close inspection here. I'm going to keep it slow. I'm seeing a couple things right there. And some different discolorations on the tile. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to take some pictures of this. I'm going to try to just in a little closer here. Again, I don't know if this is just a discoloration of that tile in particular, because I am certainly by no means a roofing expert. Let's go ahead and take some more pictures here. I'm going to slowly move it down here. back to video. No, we're not going to do that. Okay. I'll look at it from a different perspective here.
Fly caution.
Okay, I'm getting a warning there's a manned aircraft. I don't even hear it, but we're good because I'm at about 40 feet, so. Go ahead and slide down here a little bit. I think we're looking pretty good here. Go ahead, we're going to take a look at a side yard now too, because I just want to take a look at it to see if there's any damage. I haven't been able to spot anything from the ground, but I figured while I got the Mavic 3 up, let's just go ahead and take a good look at things here. Now our yard actually does not run too far behind our property. It's only about actually 3 feet.
Fly cautiously.
Yes, I do know that. Thank you, DJI. I appreciate that. I'm going to get this up in the air just a little bit more because I'm really more interested in the yard than anything else right now. Gain a little more altitude here.
Fly cautiously.
Okay. I am really not seeing anything here, so we're going to go ahead and come back here.
Go home.
All in all, a very short but successful flight. Not really seeing any damage on the roof, and that's really a relief because there's some people in our neighborhood and in our community that have had a few loose tiles and whatnot. But from everything that I can see, and again, I'm not a professional roofer, I didn't see any damage. So that's a successful flight. Question of the day. What did you think of my DJI Mavic 3 post-Hurricane Ian home inspection? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.